In this video, I'll show you how to create a YouTube subscribe link on desktop. Firstly, navigate to your YouTube channel's main page. For example, youtube.com/@ your channel name. Highlight and copy the URL from the address bar. Open a text editor like Notepad on Windows and paste it in the URL. Append sub confirmation 1 to the end of the URL. So all you have to do is write $sub confirmation 1. Your final URL should look like this, and the link will prompt users to subscribe to your channel directly when they visit it. And that's it, guys. As simple as that. All you have to do is now to share this link with your social. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.